10 newborn baby care skills. Newborn babies are very soft and delicate to handle. New parents do not know how to deal with them properly, especially if it is their firstborn baby. Newborns need proper care and attention to grow in a healthy way. You must know how to hold them, how to swaddle them, how to feed them, and how to make them sleep. So in this video, I will tell you top 10 skills you must learn as a parent. Number 1. Holding a baby. As we know, newborn babies are very delicate. Their neck muscles are very weak to hold their head. If you pick them up by or under their arms, their head will dangle and could flop around, potentially causing a brain injury. So the correct way to hold a baby is place one hand behind their head and neck and the other hand under their bottom. Then gently scoop the baby up towards your chest. Number 2. Diaper changing. While the frequent diaper changes may not be your favorite part of a parent job, but they are still part of baby care package to prevent them from irritation and diaper rash. While changing your baby's diaper, firstly clean the area with a wipe from front to backwards. Let the area dry and apply any diaper rash cream, then put on the diaper while rolling your baby to one side and other. Do not hold your baby from legs to bring them up, as it can cause damage to their backbone. Change your baby's diaper every 4 hours or as required. Choose the correct diaper size for your baby so that it does not leak or harm your baby. Number 3. Swaddling. Swaddling is very important for newborn babies because they feel relaxed and protected in this way. To place your baby in a swaddle, spread out a blanket and slightly fold over one corner. Lay your baby face up on the blanket, placing his or her head at the edge of the folded corner. While holding your baby in place, pick up one corner of the blanket and then bring the blanket across your baby's body. Number 4. Feeding and burping. If your baby is on formula milk, make sure to wash and sanitize your feeders properly after every use. And if they are breastfeeding, hold them correctly while feeding in a comfortable position like cradle hold. Do not overfeed them as it can cause vomiting. To avoid vomiting, it is necessary to burp them after every feed. Keep the baby upright after their feed and gently pat on their back for 5 minutes. If they do not burp, gently lie them down on their back in their crib or other safe surface. Number 5. Sleep training. Newborn babies are often very cranky and do not sleep properly. To sleep train your baby, make them aware of day and night, as newborn babies are habitual of mother's womb environment or dark. So dim the lights at night and keep them in sunlight when it's daytime so that they can know the difference between day and night. Stick to a sleep schedule and feed them fully before their bedtime. Number 6. Bathing. Newborns really do not know to be bathed every day. Experts say up to 3 times a week is fair game once their umbilical cord stump falls off. As newborn baby's skin is very soft and slippery, so hold them with caution. Use lukewarm or normal tap water to bath your baby. Lower your baby into the bathtub, support their head on your arm, using the other arm to support their body and also to wash. Gently splash the water on their head and body and make sure to clean the genitals. After bath, hold them in a clean towel to dry them. Number 7. Massaging. Massage can be soothing for babies. Try massage after your baby's nap, when they are being changed, or after bath. Use any baby massage oil or lotion and warm it into your hands by rubbing. Start from baby's feet and then go upwards. Then start upper body massage with your hands on baby's shoulders. Make gentle strokes in towards chest. Massage the tummy with circular clockwise strokes. Avoid the belly button area if the cord is not yet healed. Use your finger pads to massage the baby's face and then massage the scalp in small circles. Then turn your baby onto their tummy and use long, smooth strokes from head to toe. Number 8. Care for umbilical cord and circumcision. Care for umbilical cord and circumcision is very important in newborn babies because if they get infected, it can cause serious complications. So if your baby still has its umbilical cord attached, give him sponge baths and clean the area regularly. For circumcision, gently clean the penis with water 3 to 4 times a day until the wound is healed and avoid using commercial diaper wipes. Number 9. Soothing. Soothing a newborn baby can be a challenge because sometimes they become very cranky. So to calm them, hold your baby close against your body and take slow breaths. Give the baby a warm bath. Pat or rub on the baby's back. Place your baby across your lap on their belly and rub your baby's back, or walk slowly while holding your baby close against your chest. These techniques will help you to soothe a crying and irritated baby. Number 10. Bonding. Bonding with your baby is probably one of the most pleasurable aspects of infant care. You can begin by cradling your baby and gently rocking or stroking him or her. Hold your baby close to your chest and kiss him or her on face. Look into your baby's eyes and talk to them. It will make your bond with your baby strong. So these are some skills that you must learn as a parent. It will help you in multiple ways. If you want to know about immunity boosting for kids, click on the video on your end screen. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to our channel.